Waking up to action dust. I want chemicals. I'm breaking in, shaping out, even checking out all the prison bus. This is in the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm waking up, feeling my bones enough to make my system blow. Welcome to the new age, Welcome to the new age.
Guys, welcome back to this channel. So excuse the background noise. People are mowing the lawns today, but we got something special here today. As you can tell from the first clip, we have a flip truck. We got a Dodge Ram 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 fur by fur with a 5.9 liter Magnum engine in it. So it is a typical Dodge. You know, it's a little bit old. It is a beater. It is clapped out, I'll tell you that. So the front end is completely shot. The tires are all cupped, worn, bald. The rear is a little bald for me doing a burnout, but that is okay. So now we're moving on to there. You got your typical, you know, coming on inside, your dash crack. I mean, just look at that. That is a thing of beauty. I mean, typical for the Dodges. That's just so you get the extra ponies coming on in, you know? You really want a sense of that. We got a crack here. That's so you get the extra ponies. You get the smell of that Magnum in there, you know what I'm saying? And what is without a Dodge without the rot? That's what I'm saying. All right, so the previous owner looks like he tried spackling it in there with his best artistic ability. I think he got the body line just right. What do you think, Contour?
Looks fantastic.
Looks absolutely awesome. That's right. Coming on up here, oh, rocker rot. I mean, what can I say about this? Right? I can just put my hand in here. Oh, jeez. You know what we say about that? Weight reduction. That's what I'm saying, right? I mean, it's okay. Oh, jeez. It's okay. Moving on into the back here. I mean, we got a little bit of a side swipe going on here. That's okay, right? Wow. Oh, jeez. This is a sport, guys. You know what? Extra 50 horsepower right there, okay? Now, going on in the right here. This right here, this hole, I don't look at it as a defect. You know what I'm saying? I see that as so it can breathe, you know, because it gets really hot. So you got to be careful with that. And then, what's Dodge tailgate rod, right? Comes on down, it works. Look at this, we got ourselves a Rhino spray-in bed liner. I mean, this is awesome. We picked that up, you know, came with it. What's better? Oh, look at that, a sliding rear view window there. That's windshield, rear view mirror. That windshield, that's awesome. I don't want to open it because it might not close, right? Got ourselves a little bumper kiss there, that's okay. We got ourselves a work truck here, and then, oh my goodness, not as much on the other side. This is why, you know, we bought this truck right here, because of the rot. What's without a Dodge truck without Dodge rot, right? So we got a little bit of rot there coming on. That's not rot, that's good. That's a little crusty, I mean, but it's okay. Coming on back here, some spackle. He painted up real good, and this is all fucking spackled in too. You can see it. That looks fantastic. This guy's running circles above us. All right, coming on. Came with freaking trailer brakes. See that? I don't know if they work. Don't even try it. But you know what? That's okay. And we got ourselves a little cush rip right there. It's rotting everywhere. Look at that. Okay, what else we got here on this beauty? Oh. The fender on this side is completely rotted, but he sanded it down excellent. What do you think? Excellent?
Better than the back.
Better than the back, that's right. And then it needs a little buff. I mean, that's it. It just needs a little polish. Get that? The roof is faded. That's okay. Looks like they tried polishing before they sold it. It was because you got leftover shit on the windshield, on the hood. All right, and then what else we got here? Fogged up headlights, bumper's a little crooked. We do have a plow push plate right down there. It's not hooked up because she's a little rattling, a little rough there. And I mean, what else can we say about this? Oh, hop on in over here. So, like I said, 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 fur by fur, right? Clapped out suspension, bald ass tires. But this is why we got it. Coming on in here, we have 112,000 miles on it. Don't worry, lights go off. It actually goes off, fires right up, AC does not work. I mean, what? Look at that, right? Got an exhaust leak, right? What's wrong with that? But look, nothing on the dash. That's awesome. Drove it home, 50 miles, I want to say. Maybe 25, 30-ish.
Yeah.
Right? No lights. That's what it's about, you know. And heat works great. The radio works. I mean, what else do we got here? The doors work. You gotta jig them a little bit, but oh. There we go. It works, right? Got all our parts in here. Oh, we got some rust going on down there. But you know what? Back seat. You know, it doesn't have 4 doors. 4 doors for more whores. You know, but it's got the suicide doors. That's okay. All right, another thing going on with this pretty little truck besides the clapped out suspension is the rotted out suspension. So coming on down into here, right? See this right here? Electrical tape, right? That is perfect. Extra, you know, extra safe, right? And then coming out of the front, I don't know if we can see that. Oh, no, we gotta fire this beast right on up so we can move on the tires here. Right, hold on. Ready for the ponies? Fire right on up, bud. All right. Coming on over here. Look at this. Some people say you don't need a sway bar mount. This guy agreed. So you know what? We're gonna have to try to grind that down well down, and if not, we're gonna have to disclose that information to the new buyer. What do you think, Connor?
Welded.
It's fine. It'll be stronger than before. All right, what's great about this interior besides that extra pony horsepower feel coming through the cracked dash? I mean, what is without a pickup truck that's rotted out, clapped out, without some cigarette butts holes going on through the seats here, right? So we got that. We got the ripped seat. I mean, it's all faded interior. I mean, steering wheel's all nasty and grimy. That's great. A little of a musty smell, huh? I think so. All right. Oh,
Smells like man's balls.
that's right. That's right. That's freaking duck butter right there. All right. That's hard work, determination. WeatherTech. WeatherTech window. What do they call these, Connor? Window.
Visors?
Window.
Rain guards.
Rain guards.
Rain guards.
Yeah, rain guards. WeatherTech. WeatherTech's a good brand. A little expensive, right? I mean, we could sell these puppies $300. What do you think, Connor?
I wouldn't go that far, but
I'm just kidding, but you know what? This is a good. I think this is gonna be a good truck. We're not testing the e-brake though. Any brake ain't gonna work. Coming on over here to all 4 of the rims and the Ram logos, plastic dips. That's the extra 10 horsepower right there, 100%. This puppy here, I'd say 500 horsepower to the wheels. All right. And that's more coming out of that engine right there, all right? You got that Dodge tranny bang going in there when you go in the park, which is okay. The reason why I bought it was because of the blue. That's it. I didn't care about anything else, just because it's nice, pretty, and blue. So you know what, guys? I'm just excited about this, I'm sure as you guys are. I know Contour's jumping out of his seat right now holding the camera. He's that pumped up for this, you know, this build. So on the channel, we're going to do a series of flips. I mean, what's better than that? Making videos, doing this stuff, making extra little cash. You know, nothing better than that. As winter's coming, it's gonna be cold. I'm gonna be freezing, but we're gonna be doing this here on the channel, on the Steadfast 2277 channel. That's right. All right, guys. So a lot more content coming. Obviously, with this shite box, we're gonna make it a non-shite box. We're gonna try to flip it for some profit. There's gonna be tons more videos going on the way. We got that Jeep Cherokee right there to flip as well. That's a V8 2004, I think. Rot box. That is really rotted, but we'll get that on the channel as well. We'll be flipping that. So guys, a lot more coming. So like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll catch you on the next video. All right, so now what's good without, you know, getting a brand new truck and not testing it out, huh? So we're gonna do ourselves a little, ready?